Hi, welcome back to Create to Amaze Art. To check out this beautiful photo frame, please visit my website create2amaze@etsy.com. To avail amazing discounts, contact me through my Facebook page or Instagram. In this video, let's see what are all the tools and materials that I used to make the embellishments like the rose heart. For making roses, I have used silicone mold. For leaves, I have used cake decorating tools. For different shapes of beads, I have used this plastic tool. The plunger makes it very easy to work with. You can buy clay dough from the market, but I make my own marble dust dough. Please stay tuned to check out that video how I make my marble dust dough.